Welcome back to another Tech Control video. In today's video, I want to show you a couple of things that I bought for Black Friday. You can see it kind of stacks up pretty high up here, but just a couple of things, and not all of it is really tech related per se, but maybe I'll cut some things out. I spent a lot of money, and quite a few things are going to be for the channel, sort of. So here's the things that I bought. So just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Big red button below. And I think YouTube does something now where if I say the word subscribe, or anybody says the word, it like highlights with a ring around it or something. I don't know if it's set up, but just in case, subscribe if you haven't. So let's start with the first thing. I did already slide this open. I just wanted to see the plate, but it's pretty easy to see what it is because they put a picture on it. This is just a new light. I'm gonna swap out the light in the bathroom that I have right now. That's sort of techie. I mean, it's more home improvement, but if you guys want me to do that on camera, then let me know and I'll be more than happy to do so. It's a quick thing, but yeah, I needed to see the plate that it comes with. Next up is this somewhat heavy package. Best South. Not really sure what this is. Oh, I think this is just a winter jacket that I bought. Okay, next up is this little one. Not really sure what it is. Oh, it's an SD card, a micro SD card, and it even comes with an adapter for a regular standard SD size. I'll explain what this is for in a sec. I bought it specifically for something. All right, next up is this one. Oh, okay. All right, so these are a bunch of pops. So they were on a really good sale for Black Friday, so I bought like a whole box of them, as you can see, however many fit in this box. Oh, these are just more pops. Like I said, they were on sale. I don't know how well that comes out on camera, but I have 2 cats, so this is gonna automatically give them each a good portion of food. By the way, I found my Batman knife, but now I lost the blue techctrl knife that I bought to replace this one. So I don't know if these 2 knives are playing hide and seek or ring around the rosy with me, but they're winning. Safety first, always. I used to work in, I don't know if I can say, I used to work at a place where we repaired computers and we had tools out all the time. And I can't tell you the number of accidents that we've had because people just wouldn't tuck the tools away or put them back where they belong. All right, so here it is. I'll sort of show this off as best as I can. This is like a light that you can adjust to whatever size you want. It's called a garage LED light or something like that. I'll have links to everything in the description. They're not affiliated links, so I make no money off of any of this. But in case you guys see anything you like and you want to get it. Unfortunately, they're not Black Friday prices anymore, but some of these things are still pretty cool. So this light, it screws in just like a normal light bulb, and it's all LED energy efficient, which is kind of cool, and it's very bright. They really packed this box up. Okay, so I ordered some winter pants to go with my winter coat. To go with what I don't have here is a snow blower. And essentially I'm gonna need all this when it snows, and I need to shovel. What is it called when you have a snow blower or whatever? Just pave the snow off of the ground, whatever. All right, so now we're getting into some of the really cool stuff. This is also sort of home improvement in a way. Let me just show you really quickly what it is. These are solar floodlights, right? And with these, this is just one, but there's 2. It's like a 2-pack. With these, this will charge us via solar, right? And then it'll produce LED, and it'll produce energy for the LED lights. So this will run on its own, and it's also motion censored, so it's off when it's not in use, and then with the stored energy, it'll turn on whenever it senses motion. So it's a 2-pack. I'm gonna put both of these in my backyard because it's a little bit dark back there, and I want light whenever we walk. Okay, this is more stuff for my cats. I mean, it's also Christmas, so you got to get them stuff too. All right, here is a socket tester. This is for outlets. All right, it's pretty straightforward, right? So you plug this in into an outlet, and this will tell you if your outlet is correct, right? With the wires on the back of the outlet, if they're correct, if there's an open neutral ground, if the live is reversed or not, all that kind of stuff. And then it'll also tell you specifically the voltage, and then the milliamps. I couldn't remember what the other one was, but yeah, this is kind of cool. And then it also has like a reset button if you have like one of those GFI, I think they're called GFIC. If you have one of those, you can sort of hit this and it'll reset the outlet. Okay, next up is a Logitech doorbell camera, right? Which it's the latest one from Logitech. I think it's their only entry actually, but it works with Apple HomeKit, which I'm curious to try. So this actually isn't the only one that I bought. I bought another one. The name brand and model escapes me right now, but that's the one that I bought this for, because this one will store the motion captures via some sort of cloud system. I think you have to hook up either iCloud or something of the sort. And then the other one I got will store it locally. So I took advantage of Black Friday and I got a 256 high-speed card micro SD just to test them out. I only have one doorbell, but I'm going to test them both out and see which one I like better. So last here is an Aqara door lock. So this is one of the very few door locks out on the market that works specifically with Apple Home Key. A lot of the smart locks out there, if not all, will have an app that you download, which means that it'll work with your phone, but that's different from it working with Apple Home Key. You would add the Apple Home Key to your wallet almost like it's a credit card or any other thing that's in your wallet, and you double tap to open, put your watch or your phone or whatever you have your Apple Wallet connected to, and then you put that directly on the door and it'll open up for you. So no more fumbling around with your keys or anything like that, or apps. You just walk up to the door and you tap your watch or your phone and you're in. There are also a couple other ways that you could get in too. You can set a numeric pin that you would just type in, and then it also has a fingerprint reader, which is kind of cool. So any one of those scenarios would work, but this is one of two. The other one I think is made by Level, and these are the only two right now in the market that have Apple Home Key. While I was editing, two more items came in, starting with the SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD, up to 2,000 megabytes read and write speed. Second item is the Aqara Smart Video Doorbell G4. This is actually why I got the SD, because it can hold the recorded images right on the SD card on the device, and this way you're not obligated to use any type of cloud for storage. And that's pretty much it. I really can't remember what else I bought. I know I bought the snowblower. Oh, I bought a table saw, but again, not table related, just for home improvement stuff. So let me know what you guys got for Black Friday, and if you made it this far to the end of the video, make sure to comment below, hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Oh, Cyber Monday, include that too. I don't just want to leave out Cyber Monday when I talk about Black Friday. It's both. Comment below, let me know what you guys got. Let's talk about it. Stay warm.